Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are doing well. So before starting my new lesson, I would like to give a brief review of my previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we have discussed the sheltered areas, we have discussed the monsoon, and we have also discussed the coastal areas. So I have told you about the sheltered areas are those places in which the wind barriers are like that. Some part of one side of the mountain can get a lot amount of the rainfall, and the other side of the mountain can get the small amount of the rainfall, in which the mountain can act as a curtain that does not allow the rainfall to fall. I've also told you about the monsoon weather, that in Pakistan the monsoon weather came from the India and the Bay of the Bengal, and it lasts in summer from July to September. We have discussed all these. So today's topic of discussion is on page number, if you have a book, I have a book on my PDF on my system, so that's why you can watch it out. So today's topic is major climatic zones of Pakistan. Okay, Alhamdulillah, Pakistan is one of those blessed countries in which we have everything. We have northern areas, that is called highlands. We have plains, just like the city of Lahore. We have plateaus, we have sea, we have coastal areas, we have deserts too. Usually I can observe some of the countries, just like the Saudi Arabia and just like the Dubai, they are very desert kind of areas. There are some countries in which there are only mountains, but Pakistan is blessed with an amazing landscape. So we'll discuss these climatic zones too today. Number one is highland. Number two is arid. Number three is semi-arid. Number four is coastal areas. Now I'm going to explain it to you one by one. Highland areas includes the northern areas and mountainous areas. As we can usually observe that northern areas of Pakistan and the mountainous area of Pakistan are usually remains cold. Their winter season laps for longer period of time as compared to summer season. Even when there is extreme hot weather in Lahore, in the plain areas of Pakistan, we can observe a very mild or a very pleasant weather in all the mountainous areas of Pakistan. So that's why a lot of the people travel from the plains areas or the other regions of the Pakistan to the mountainous areas. This is just because of the height and altitude of that place, because I told you earlier that all the places that on the height or the altitude always experience the colder climate, and they also experience the snowfall there because of that height. Rainfall, amount of rainfall is usually the highest in the northern areas, and the western mountainous areas are usually the less rainfall areas. What are the arid? Arid means dry areas. Arid includes the Balochistan, southern Balochistan, and the deserts. The environment of the arid areas are usually the dry and the dusty, and the hot dusty winds remains blow throughout the year. Semi-arid areas. Semi-arid areas includes the Indus Plain and Potohar Plateau. What are the plateaus? Plateaus are just like, you can say, the small mountains, जिसको कहते हैं ना रेत की टीले. So, plateaus are just like the small mountains made of the sand, and these are the semi-arid, and the environment of these places are usually remains moderate. Coastal areas. Coastal areas are those places that are located near the sea, just like the Karachi. that is located near the bank of the sea, and the environment of the coastal areas are pleasant in the evening just because of the wind blows over the surface of the sea, but these areas remains hot in the morning, as we observe that in the summers when there is extremely hot weather in the Lahore, but due to the presence of sea, the temperature of the coastal area, less like the Karachi, remains the milder as compared to the Lahore. I can read it out for you. Pakistan is located in the temperate climatic zone. I told you that there are different climatic zones on the globe. Some are extreme and some are the temperate, which is neither too hot nor too cold. It has four climatic regions as shown on the map. Highlands. Highlands are the mountainous areas. The northern, northwestern, and western highlands fall in this region. They have long, cold, and snowy winters. Summers in the north and northwestern mountains are short, mild, and wet, but in western mountains they are warm and dry. Rainfall is the highest in the northern mountains, and the western mountains gets less rainfall. Arid. Arid means dry. The area of southwestern Balochistan and the southeastern deserts fall in this group. So usually deserts are usually fall in this region. The climate is dry and hot throughout the year with hot dusty winds and very little rainfall. Semi-arid. The area of the upper Indus Plain, lower Indus Plain, and the Pojo plateaus lies in this region. This region was hot summers and cool winters and monsoon rain. So when it is summer, these areas will remain hot. When it is winter, this area will remain cool, and they also experience the monsoon rains too. Coastal areas. The region includes the Karachi, Makran coast, and Indus Delta. The climate is humid and mild due to sea breezes throughout the year.